hativhure page nababa because murume wangu haasi wecontent, murume wangu haasi wemaskits. Iyo imwe nyaya ndakukudza nyaya yekuti maona murume wangu makutanga kumutito kumuro mapicture. What is that? Makambo murume wangu hatori namaskills ekuita celebrity. Muregei nai kwakakura frame chaita se allow him to be him. Mukandono ndiri pamo mai unoita se kumurume nemuda kuti aite se murume and murume wangu murege murume wangu aite zvaanoda, kwete zvokuti mukamona makutama kuti mapicture komukarafurwa muchaita se because mune haatona ini zvafanini inini pache zvangu and hazvitoti kana ndari murume wangu ndakugona bhora musadaro muchazo musiye munhu afambe arohwe nemhepo. Can I get a picture? Muda uchadii anotosha zvinoreve azondibvunza zvikananzi ko mapicture ndisiri kuda honai manje kwamako ndisi inini yabo inondoda mapicture varibosimisana varibo musadaro imi ndimafanza anosida kundipinza kumawana unozoti ini ndinenge ndakutobvunza kunzi saka ndofanira kungotora mupicha chamaikuva kuti musadaro unoone kuti guys, apana pandingamboposta matambudziko angu pano vese vari kuti hanzi happily married. Pane pandichaya here ndokupa matambudziko angu oni pasolution vanhu vacho? Pane here pandichaya ndotaura kuti handisi kudya mobva manditengera chikafu? Just know kuti we will never come with our problems here. We will never give you and deliver you our problems so that you can be able to sleep at night thinking that you are happy and we are happy. We will bring the goodness of the God. Just know everyone's a human and we equally face the same problem. So out of face and this talk at the life, zvauri izvozvo ndozvauri ndinongoudzwawo amweni wezondi kutoudzwa kunzi musoro wako utore kuti saka just know kuti whatever you guys go through is what we go through, but us we choose not to give you that info because you laugh at us and create WhatsApp groups and start talking about us. So we'll give you the goodness of the Lord that He has made during this day. We have as content creators, we have a good way to hide our problems. We have good ways of hiding under the sheet and pretend. Remember, I'm Yahya and Michelle. So what makes you not think that I can pretend and be happy? So you need to know. You need to know that we don't bring your problems because you don't have solutions. Most of you are not therapists. You are not say weakness that will give us money or cars. You are. So allow us to live our lives and give you happiness. So that maybe you have hope in your life. Your child doesn't like to feel like it's good to be married. If you feel like you want to be married, if you don't want to be married, don't be married. If you want to leave marriage, leave marriage. If you want to go to the marriage, go to the marriage. Want to give your ex a second chance, give your ex a second chance. If you want your ex to guys, it's just not let him sorrow. You ain't got to damn sorrow at the end of the day, boss. Kazororo, Shima Tanzania, Inanti Ganzi. Men to put one thing about me. Kuganza. Then let Kuganza, guys. Papa, I couldn't take it. I mean, not Jongo, everybody should stay anti guns. Did ambo? Did problem is did ambo and then no blend up? Yes, Screaming from no longer and I put a lifestyle young way and drag a shanty and ruda, Mahufida Ganzi. No problem, I don't take it. I'm Ganza anti Ganzi. But people don't tell us to say machine. I'm doing the machine. And then correct the machine when that's my pizza. Now correct them a bare minimum. I've been dreaming of the machine. I see my mouth Yahya. Machine. We're going to have no chance. You need to know by the bare minimum. You know, better because Masala Jico. But I never catch in Jico. Bills Jico. So that's the best. A jack of all trades, right? But now when I post you the final things of life, you come and say who can do it. Those are the final things of life. Here and there. When the effects are Nhasi ndiri kudya magrapes. Nhasi ndiri kudyawo magrapes. Vanhu vamwari omberai maoko kugetoko ndikurwa magrapes. Because paya pandasafoda magrapes vaingondiomberera maoko. Saka continue. Aiwa, hanzi ndakati hanzi inonzi blue. Aiwa, kwete blue taviyo. Hydroquin, ndadoti hydroquinone. Inonzi hydroquinone. Hydroquinone, something like that. Zvikanzi hydroquinone. Zvikanzi hydroquinone. Yeah, kiki. Undiseka kundetsera wedistillation. Ndiri kutotenga product yacho akomana musandidaro. Seka zvenyu. Inde chingori uri kuita rekundiseka zvako. Uri kuona kuti upenyu kwaunosiyana. Handani je kunadzozogona kupronounce sepanyika. Ari kuti ndiri kutaurwa mari pamwe nechimba. But musadaro muraone kuziva. But just know kuti inini ukanondiseka kupage rimwe ukanondi uyu kurimwe page ndobva ndazvondokubloka. Saka unozongoona kusandini. Saka ukandiseka kumwe page ndokublokera ikoko. Ndovereka makomenzi emwe. I see you, and your behavior. I'll block. I made a TikTok and I will be made you because those one after that TikTok. After that, made a TikTok. And this food, I did it. Mama, I'm saying, Dine Jangu, Mukad. As a married wife, this is what people expect to have a married wife. As a married wife, you need to know that you need to behave. You need to behave. 0791775563. You need to behave, and as a woman, you need. You can't really. You don't do none of far from far so that you know that street now. And yeah, I don't know. Why would I miss Anna? That's crazy. Brown looks good on you. What you see me? You'll see girl looking good in brown. Never the share with you, shut up. Tara show. Sonia. You were sure I could please and you. I'm from Zambia, but I speak very fluent Shona. One answer, but one answer, I'm not how I show I can also just what